Stop beating your children from today. It is not only bad for their health, but it is bad for your health also. You love your children, but still, when they do some mistake, you start beating, and it is very, very bad. You have to control your anger and just explain them what wrong they have done. But if you don't do that, then your anger increases, your BP shoots, and simultaneously children, they go in depression. So be their friends and not the ringmasters. Whatever they love them, you have to find out what they like, what they don't like, and make them free birds. Let them enjoy their life. And playground is the most important thing in developing growing children's life. So at least 1 or 2 hours evening playground play is most important. So for their proper growth, our Ashwayashti tablet is a best tonic for growing children. 1 tablet a day with 2 Tanvi Shata you can start and see how the proper growth is been there. For details, you can WhatsApp me for free consultation on 704 558 9981 or Tanvi Herbal Clinic free checkup at Dadar and Thane. Our doctors are always there. You can just visit there, or for free consultation at WhatsApp. WhatsApp on 9820075812 Tanvi office. Medicines are available at chemist and Tanvi Herbal Clinics also.